10 best healthy breakfast foods. Intro music with engaging visuals, quick cuts of delicious healthy breakfasts being prepared, people looking energized, sun shining, etc. Host: hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, Nate. We've all heard it. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Now, while health experts sometimes debate that exact phrase, one thing is for sure: starting your morning with a well-balanced breakfast is an absolutely fantastic way to kickstart your day. Host! In fact, what you eat for breakfast can set the tone for your entire day. As Lainey Youngkin, a registered dietitian, puts it, breakfast eaters get two main benefits: increased energy and reduced cravings. And who doesn't want that, right? Plus, research even suggests that skipping breakfast might be linked to a higher risk of being overweight and generally lower nutrition quality. Host, but here's the kicker. Not all breakfasts are created equal. That sugary cereal or plain bagel, probably not your best bet. According to Youngkin, a healthy breakfast should include high-fiber carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fat. Why this magic trio? Well, high-fiber carbs like fruits, oats, or whole wheat toast give you sustained energy without that nasty sugar crash. Protein and healthy fat, they digest slowly and keep hunger hormones in check, helping you stay full and focused for hours. Host, so if you want to supercharge your mornings, stay focused, and support your overall health, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 10 of the best healthy breakfast foods according to dietitians. Let's dive in. Host, kicking off our list at number 10, we have whole grain waffles with fruit and Greek yogurt. Host, yes, you can have your waffles and eat them too. The key here is whole grain. Think whole wheat flour or even oat-based recipes. This provides that crucial fiber for stable blood sugar. And instead of drowning them in syrup, top them with nutrient-rich goodies like Greek yogurt for a protein punch, chopped nuts for healthy fats, and fresh berries for natural sweetness and pro tip: make a big batch on the weekend for easy weekday breakfast. Host! Next up, at number 9, Greek yogurt puff. Host, a classic for a reason. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse. Layer it with your favorite berries for fiber and vitamins, and perhaps a sprinkle of low-sugar granola or nuts for that satisfying crunch and healthy fats. It's quick, easy, and totally customizable. Host, coming in at number 8, tofu scramble. Host, this is a fantastic plant-based option packed with protein. Crumble some firm tofu, and it with your favorite veggies: spinach, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms. The possibilities are endless. Add a bit of turmeric for color and anti-inflammatory benefits. It's savory, filling, and so good for you. Host, at number 7, we have the trendy but truly terrific avocado toast. Host, it's popular for a reason. Start with a slice of whole grain toast for fiber. Top it with creamy avocado, which is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and more fiber. You can stop there or level it up with a sprinkle of everything: bagel seasoning, chili flakes, or even a poached or fried egg for extra protein. Host, number 6 on our list is a kefir smoothie. Host, if you haven't tried kefir, you're missing out. It's a fermented dairy drink, similar to yogurt but often thinner, and it's packed with probiotics for gut health. Plus, it's a good source of protein, blended with your favorite fruits like bananas or berries. Maybe toss in a handful of spinach, and you've got a nutrient-dense, drinkable breakfast. Host, halfway through, at number 5, let's talk about a savory oatmeal bowl. Host, think oatmeal is just for sweet toppings. Think again. Oatmeal itself is a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which keeps you full and satisfied. Try cooking your oats with broth instead of water or milk. Then top it with a fried egg. Greens like spinach or kale, mushrooms, or even a sprinkle of cheese. It's a game changer. Host, Our number 4 pick is the versatile quinoa breakfast bowl. Visual? Cooked quinoa in a bowl with toppings like fruit nuts and a drizzle of maple syrup, or with savory toppings. Most quinoa isn't just for lunch or dinner. This powerful grain is a complete protein and a great source of fiber. You can cook it similarly to oatmeal with milk or a plant-based alternative. Add some cinnamon and top with fruits, nuts, and seeds. Or go savory like the oatmeal with veggies and an egg. Host, breaking into our top 3. At number 3, we have the lentil breakfast bowl. Host, this one might sound a bit unconventional for breakfast to some, but trust me, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Lentils are loaded with plant-based protein and fiber, making them incredibly safe. You can season them with savory spices, pair them with roasted vegetables, and even top with an egg or avocado. Seriously filling and good for you. Host, the runner-up at number 2 is a meal prep favorite, overnight oats with chia seeds and berries. Host, if mornings are hectic, this one's for you. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds, your milk of choice, and a handful of berries in a jar. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast that's packed with fiber and nutrients. Grab and go. Host! And finally, our number 1 best healthy breakfast food, according to dietitians, is sweet potato with spinach and egg. Visual, a vibrant plate with roasted or baked sweet potato, wilted spinach, and a perfectly cooked egg on top. Host, this breakfast is a true champion. It ticks all the boxes. The sweet potato provides complex carbohydrates and fiber for sustained energy. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, and the egg delivers high-quality protein and healthy fat. You can bake or microwave the sweet potato quickly to spinach and top it with a poached, fried, or scrambled egg. It's colorful, delicious, and will keep you powered up all morning. Host, so there you have it too. 10 incredible, dietitian-approved, healthy breakfast foods to revolutionize your morning. Remember, the key is to aim for that balanced combination of fiber-rich carbohydrates, satiating protein, and healthy fats. Host, the best part is, these are just ideas to get you started. The goal is to think outside the traditional cereal bagel or pastry box and choose options that are well-balanced and add real nutrients to your day. Experiment. Find what you love and feel the difference a truly healthy breakfast can make. Host, which of these healthy breakfast ideas are you most excited to try? Or do you have a go-to healthy breakfast that we missed? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more healthy eating tips, recipes, and wellness advice. Host, thanks so much for watching. Eat well, feel great, and I'll see you in the next video.